Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue chapter 5, lesson 7. So we're gonna to talk about specific heat. Specific heat. Think upon going to beach on a sunny day. You take shoes off to feel the sand between your toes, but the sand is too hot. You run to the water to cool your feet because the water is so much cooler than the sand. When both the water and the sand are exposed to the same sunlight. So, when you go to the beach on the sunny day, you take off shoes to feel the sand between hot sand between your toes, but the sand is too hot. You run very quickly to the water to cool your feet because the water is so cooler than the sand. When both the water and the sand are exposed to the sunlight. So the answer is specific heat. Specific heat is the amount of energy it takes to raise the temperature of the substance. This means that the water it takes too much energy or heat to raise the temperature rather than the sand. Sand needs less energy to raise the temperature. That's why the sand is very hot than the water. The unit that's used to measure specific heat is joules, and the symbol is J. So the unit that's used to measure the specific heat is joules. Look at this table. Lead has a specific heat 128. Gold has a specific heat 129. Silver 234. Metal of seat belt 500. Aluminium 899. Sand 800. Cloth of seat belt 1340. Wood 1760. Water 4184. So which one has the highest specific heat? Water. Excellent. Water 4184. This means that the water needs a lot of energy to raise the temperature, while the lead needs less energy. Then a gold, then a silver, then a seat belt, then aluminium. So the highest specific heat is water. So the water needs a lot of energy to raise the temperature, to raise its temperature. Different substances have different sizes and masses and arrangement of particles. Specific heat is a measure of how much joule it takes to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. So, the specific heat measure energy that take to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. So, example of specific heat. At the beach, which gets hotter, the sand or the water? Sand or the water have the highest specific heat or gets hotter? Excellent. Water. Water has a highest specific heat than sand. Higher specific heat means that the substance takes longer to heat up and cool down. At the water take a long time to heat up than sand. sand need less energy to raise its temperature, while water take a long time. So this means that the sand is very hot while the water become cold and take a long time to raise this temperature, while sand get hotter very quickly. Water has a high specific heat and is transparent, so it takes more energy to heat up than the land. So look here, this is the sunlight. The sand will be heated faster, so the temperature will be 225 Celsius, while the water 20. It takes long time to raise the temperature, while the sand gets hotter faster than the water. So specific heat is measured how much energy it takes to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. That's it. Thanks for watching.